Mastering English. Understanding. Claim the top spot. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, claim the top spot. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Whether you're learning English for fun, work, or travel, knowing these expressions can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's get started. Claim the top spot is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of becoming the best or leading in a particular area, competition, or field. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from sports and academics to business and entertainment. When someone claims the top spot, they achieve the highest position, often through hard work, skill, or competition. Using claim the top spot in a sentence is quite straightforward. It is usually used when discussing competitions, rankings, or any scenario where there are clear winners and losers. Here are a few tips on how to use it. It's often used in the past tense, claim the top spot, to talk about a recent victory or achievement. It can also be used in future constructions when discussing potential winners or goals, aims to claim the top spot. Examples in sentences. 1. After years of hard work, the athlete claimed the top spot at the international competition. 2. The company aims to claim the top spot in the smartphone market by the end of the year. 3. With her latest novel, she claimed the top spot on the bestseller list. While claim the top spot is a common expression, there are variations and synonyms that carry a similar meaning. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and help you express the same idea in different ways. Take the lead, reach the pinnacle, secure the number one position. Each of these expressions emphasizes the achievement of being at the very top or ahead of others in some way. Understanding and using phrases like claim the top spot can significantly improve your English communication, making it more vibrant and expressive. We hope this video has helped clarify what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations or when writing in English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase or idiom you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to practice, and maybe someday soon, you'll claim the top spot in your English learning journey.